Typically, for the sales and the service staff, they collect all the hard copy receipt and pass everything to admins. The company rely on one person to key in and clean up all the expenses in the accounting system. The process is very slow, risky, and highly dependent on one single individual. Now, let me show you how Chillhub digitalize the whole process and making the expenses claim is smoother and visible immediately. First step, you go to your Chillhubs and enable the self-service expenses access for all the sales and the field management team. Step 2, every time when your employee get a receipt, they log into their accounts, they go to expenses, add a new expenses, they simply snap a photo by using the Chillhubs. Once the photo is taken, Chillhub will automatically read the receipt content. So you can see the amount is captured instantly, the invoice number can be selected. The staff now only need to define what is the expenses for, or add a short descriptions, or select a expenses account if applicable. And then it's just save and submit. That's it. From the admin and the management, you can access by logging to your admin accounts. You can see all the submitted expenses by go to your expenses platforms and select all the submitted expenses. They can go in and verify whether the expenses is valid and claimable. If yes, they can just approve it by select the payments account. They can select which payment account they credit from to the staff. Save and approve. If for some of the expenses, the expense is not valid, is not claimable, they can just reject with a reason. Now once approved, that the expenses is immediately reflected in the company account. So at any time, management can go to the dashboard to see all the company's sales amount, net profit, expenses, and to see that whether the financials is under control or not. All is based on the real data submitted by the whole teams. This means that the staff expenses is no longer depends on one admin.